Okay, go. Letters?
A.
This one.
A.
This one. Huh? This one.
B.
Okay. Another one.
O.
This one.
P.
This one. This one. Okay, this one. Good. Okay. This one.
T.
Very good.
B.
This one.
Q.
Very good.
Q.
How about this?
G.
Good boy. Next. How about this one, John?
Happy. Two. Happy.
What letter is this? Come on.
Ow.
Very good. This one.
N.
Very good. This one.